Hi folks, today I would like to show you how you can generate release notes with AI. We will use a little PowerShell script to do that, and as you can see, we're just using the Ollama API and a simple prompt with the Queen 2.5 model. You can download this model from the ollama.com, and also you can download the Ollama installer for Windows, Linux or macOS. And we will use just a simple prompt to ask AI to generate a release note based on the Git commits. Ollama API designed to provide the answer with the chunks. That's why we will use for loop to collect all the words and then concatenate them into the one message. So once again, you just need to download Ollama to your runner, to my laptop in my case, and then just pull the model. As you can see, I already done with these steps, and I would like to show you an API answer. Okay, it works. In my case, I use Ollama on my laptop and also the Gitlab runner installed on my laptop too. That's why I use localhost. Okay, let's see the result of that kind of automation. And as you can see, job collects the git commit messages and after that receives the answer from Ollama API as a nice designed release notes. And now let's rerun the pipeline to see how it works in real time. As you can see, GPU starts handle a massive payload and we utilize almost all video memory. Let's check what's going on in GitLab. As expected, job collected git commit messages and generate the nice designed release notes. So now you can fire your release manager. Just joking, never mind. Hope this video will be helpful for you. All code samples will be in the description below. Goodbye.